With Minexa.ai, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser, then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to scrape maritime regulations seamlessly. Head to the page with your records. Minexa automatically adapts to JavaScript-rendered content and dynamic elements without any configuration. Open the Minexa extension, go from a live web page to structured data without writing anything or setting up tools. Press the button. Minexa begins reading how the page loads and organizes its data to detect maritime regulations for extraction. Minexa knows how to move through all pages. The navigation was detected and will be applied on every future run automatically. Choose List Mode to scrape the results page only, or Detail Mode to also collect data from every page behind each row. Click Continue for straightforward pages. Switch to Advanced Mode when the site requires actions like selecting options or expanding content first. Confirm and proceed. Your scraper will be ready after this step. Minexa highlights the detected container to ensure accuracy before creating the scraper. Every field is detected and structured. Text, links, images, and nested data are all ready. For maritime regulations, this includes titles, dates, document links, and relevant codes. Select what you need, or include everything at once. Click API Request to copy working Python code. Just add your URLs and run it straight away to start extracting this data. Same result every time. Click Complete Configuration, and your scraper will return consistent data on every run. Multi-page coverage is confirmed. The scraper follows every page of results on each run automatically. Click to launch your scraping job. Scheduling is optional but useful if this is data you want refreshed regularly. Click Run, and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page, unlike AI-based scrapers that guess where data lives. Similar-looking values like regulation titles, dates, document links, and codes never get confused, even across thousands of rows. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. Start with Minexa and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual rerunning or intervention.